Trolling for walleyes is one of the most popular techniques all over the country, to put a lot of them in the boat. And when it comes to rods, this is a situation where I'm going to make sure that I have the right length rods, durable rods, and for many, many years, the Bass Pro Shop's Walleye Angler Signature Series rod was one of the most popular amongst many people in the Midwest. It had the right action. It was strong. It did the job whether you were pulling planer boards or flatline trolling. And when we look at the new model here that Bass Pro's come out with, it's called the Prodigy Walleye Series. You're going to see the same actions within these rods as what those Walleye Angler rods were. There's a couple changes we've made to them. Obviously the setup is actually a little bit lighter, the rods are lighter, the graphite's a higher quality, but you'll see at the end of all of the trolling rods, we've made kind of an activator tip, a light colored neon green tip at the end of all of the trolling rods. And what that does for you is if you're flatline trolling, you're able to read small crankbaits working very, very well. If they pick up a weed, you can see it in a heartbeat. So something that's added that's really, really nice. This is the 8.5 foot telescopic rod that I'll use for planer boards, for flatline trolling, bigger crankbaits. But the rod right here that we made sure definitely stayed in the line is the 9.5 foot telescopic rods. So you can imagine the type of spread that you can get if you have a 9.5 foot rod out each side. And I use that for lead core all the time. You can have a great spread. So definitely check out this series. For the price, they're extremely strong. They'll get the job done when it comes to trolling for walleyes, no matter what body of water you want to go out and catch a bunch of them on.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.